Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up accessible forms using Webflow and ARIA labels, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up accessible forms using Webflow and ARIA labels, start by opening your Webflow project. Navigate to the page where you want to add the form. Drag a form block from the Add panel to your preferred section. Inside the form block, you'll see default fields like name and email. Click on the first field to open its settings. In the Settings panel, find the Field ID section and assign a unique ID. Next, locate the Element Settings tab. Under this tab, you will see the Label option. Click on Add Label to associate a label with the input field. Ensure the label text clearly describes the expected input. For ARIA labels, access the Attributes section in the Settings panel. Click Add Attribute and enter ARIA label in the Name field. In the Value field, copy the label text you created. Repeat these steps for each form field to ensure consistency. Now, proceed to the Submit button within the form block. Click on the button to open its settings. Just like the input fields, you need to add a descriptive label for the Submit action. Use the same process to add an ARIA label to the Submit button. Make sure to provide a clear and concise description of what the button does. Once all fields and buttons are labeled, preview your form. Test each field to ensure they are correctly labeled and accessible. Finally, publish your Webflow site to make the form live. Your form is now accessible, complying with ARIA standards for improved usability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.